What's up, IDEX holders? So what's going on? Today video will be very important for all IDEX holder because from that you can see here the latest price of IDEX is 0.3122 USD dollar, but this time you can see in last 24 hour 2.16% the price is decreased now, so definitely it's a very bad news. But don't worry my brother, after a term every coin my friend will pumps up. So therefore I'm 100% sure my friends to upcoming time IDEX will pumps up. Market cap you can see my friend this time minus 2.15% decrease now, and market cap you can see here 12.78, and you can see fully diluted market cap as my friend 2.15% loss. So total value of my friend you can see here 14 million, and volume last 24 hours 30.60% level decrease now. So volume market cap you can see here 0.2367, and the circulating supplies you can see here 591 billion my friend you can see here. And this time my friend everything is going to be 100% right now. I mean, I hope my friend in upcoming time they will also get a very good profit. So as you can see my friend this time, oh my goodness, the resistance lines they will hit now 2 times my friends, 3 times, I think some 4 times, yes my brother, and definitely this coin will get a profit. Other one that you can see here after the resistance lines, this coin will completely loss. So please be safe from loss and get 100% profit now. So please don't do any mistake to starting selling, otherwise you will never get profit. See you next time holder. Please like video and also subscribe our YouTube channel for more such informative and urgent updates videos.